Hey everybody, it's me, Kylie.
Colin.
And today we are trying the new limited edition Kit Kat birthday cake Kit Kats. And I don't know where we got these. Right, Walmart. There's all of that. I realize it's backwards, but it's a big goof. Yeah, it's a birthday cake crisp wafers and birthday cake flavored white cream with sprinkles. So I think it's just like a white chocolate Kit Kat.
It's the white chocolate plus like.
It looks like those little, it looks like the animal cookies.
Animal crackers?
Like the
the frosted
covered animal crackers. That's what it tastes like too.
Is this better?
It's weird.
Do you like it?
I like it because it's a Kit Kat, but it tastes really weird.
I like it.
There's not very much chocolate on it. I don't know. They're okay. It just tastes like a white chocolate Kit Kat, and then with sprinkles in it. So, yeah. It's weird. If you like Kit Kats, like the white chocolate Kit Kats, you'll like them. But it's just really weird. It doesn't taste like birthday cake at all. Okay. I mean, if you like Kit Kats, white chocolate Kit Kats, I'd get them or you can just buy a white chocolate Kit Kat. But
these are I can actually kind of get how it's birthday cake.
I think the only thing birthday cake is just the sprinkles on it. And it's like,
yeah.
I don't know. You like it? I love Kit Kats. And Kit Kats, you kind of let us down here. Birthday cake, you think be like, I don't even know it's a Kit Kat. I'd go try them. I don't know where we got these, so I can't tell you anywhere where to get them. But
anywhere where candy is sold, probably.
I don't know if they come in littler packs or not, but yeah, it's a 4 wide one. I really don't know. Okay. Go try them. They're good-ish, but Kit Kat's kind of less down here, so yeah. And as always,
what? I'm Colin.
I'm Kylie.
See you today. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.